Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shoro Suchana Show once again. We know that there are numerous villages, cities, and states in India, each with its own unique beauty. Due to the country's diversity, it's impossible to experience all of India in a single day, but we can certainly appreciate some of its beauty. This is particularly evident in Bakura, located in West Bengal, India. Nature is truly breathtaking and its beauty is unmatched. However, in reality, such natural wonders are rare, so we must protect them. Thank you, everybody. We hope you will like.